Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I have began preparing to clean the headlamps on the Saab 9.3 Sport Combi. As you can see, they're pretty hazy. Now this one I've just wet and washed with a little bit of car wash soap, and I need to dry it off some before we apply our Meguiar's headlamp restore kit. I've used this kit several times in the past. It works really well. You're supposed to mask off the the edges here around the hood just to protect it, but I don't waste my time doing that kind of stuff. If I get it on the paint, I can wipe it off real quick and it won't hurt anything. So basically what we need to do is just let that sit a minute, and I'm going to take some of this cleaning solution and I will apply some to this little pad and just use a back and forth motion to clean this. So I will be back and show you some results momentarily. Alright, so we put just a little bit on here with my shaky ass hands, and it's just back and forth, side to side. So the instructions say, oh, I went up and down. Can't be going up and down. I might need a little more cleaner, but this is a big headlamp. Yep, let me get a little more cleaner. I'm just going to do it like this since I'm so shaky. I need to start drinking alcohol, right, Mom? Alright. Ooh, it's real rough right there. So there's some real deterioration in the plastic up here in this corner. Now again, you really should mask this area with masking tape, but since I'm so shaky and stable, I feel like I can do it without having to do that.
Great idea.
Yeah. So, see, like I got it a little there, but hey, on a car this old, and I'm going to be clay barring the paint, I'm going to wax it, and hopefully this baby's going to shine up like a new penny. All right, so after you do this a few times, I can feel the surface is getting a little bit smoother underneath. It doesn't feel as coarse. So I think I am taking off some of the grunge. Need a little more right here. All right, and all you do is then take your clean, and I know this doesn't look too clean, but it is, terry cloth towel, and just wipe it off. Now, and it said it should be hazy. All right, we'll come back to this in just a second for part 2. Okay, first step is done, and we have a frosted appearance in the lens, an evenly frosted appearance. So now I will apply one medium wet coat of headlight coating to the entire headlight surface. Okay, so here we go. Let me shake well. I guess this is probably where the masking tape would come in important, so you don't just spray it all over your paint and your trim and your car. But this is Joe's Golden Garage. We do things half-assed. All right. Oh, wow. It might do some wonders for the paint. By the way, it says do not breathe. Okay. Looks pretty good. We'll let that dry and I'll come back for one more coat. Okay, here's a before shot. As you can see, it's all hazy and crusty and just weathered. The plastic actually has kind of a, coarse feel to it. And as you can see on my other headlight here, this is the finished product. 20 bucks, y'all, not bad. I mean, it's not like new. The car is 11 years old, but that's a heck of a lot better. So, on to number 2. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping by. All right, look at these pearly whites. And those headlights cleaned up nice. Hello. Went ahead and gave her a bath. She's gonna need some waxing. There's some superficial scratches, as you can see. And there's just kind of some cloudiness in the paint. Haha, clouds. That seriously is the clouds. But no, it just kind of has that kind of white, kind of, got a few nicks and scratches I got to work on. There, right there. And several, somebody just sat there and opened their car door into this thing. Luckily, there's no dents. It's just paint transfer, so that's good. Got the wheels cleaned up. I think she shined up pretty good. Shined up pretty good for an old Saab. Yeah, and I still got to touch up the rear bumper there. But a little wash and Armor All on the tires and wheel cleaner go a long way. So, we're making progress. So next will be the orbital buffer or whatever, and do some serious waxing. I think I'll probably clay bar it too beforehand. So I don't know. I gotta figure all that out. But y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace.